Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Freely. So today's video is going to be a review of a backpack, but this time it's not going to be a brevity backpack because if you've been with this channel for a while, the past 3 backpack videos I did were all the brevity one, so I'm gonna try and change it up a little bit here. But today's video is going to be about the NOMATIC Travel Pack. Wow, there it is. Hey, thanks Marvin. Awesome guy. Anyway, so yeah, here is the NOMATIC Travel Pack. We just got it actually today. And just to be clear, you guys, this isn't my backpack. This is actually my brother's, but I asked him and he gave me permission to do an unboxing of this backpack. So here we go. We're gonna do the unboxing right now. So let's go. All right, so I wouldn't really say this is an unboxing, but I guess you could say an unbagging. So just take it out of here. Wow, right away you can tell this thing is very built for waterproof. Just look at the material. It's like this. Smells new. It's like water resistant. I'm not sure if it's water resistant or waterproof, but yeah, you can really tell this is really water resistant. So I'm gonna take off this back panel thing. I don't want to rip it. And there you go. Wow, this is actually really nice. It's really sleek. So this is the 20 to 30 liter backpack by NOMATIC. It's actually expandable. I think one of these zippers expands the backpack. So let's just go into the little details of this backpack. But before we get into that, this was actually a bag I was looking at when I was looking for a backpack for my travels. The reason why I didn't pick this one was because I needed one that had like some kind of camera compartment somewhere specifically designed for cameras, and this one didn't quite have it, so I kind of passed on it. But I really did like the design and then just the overall products that NOMATIC made. Here we have like a front zipper. Whoa, look at that. Okay, we have this front pocket right here, and this is really nice because it has this really nice mesh pockets along with this pocket right here. Right here we have an RFID safe pocket right here, which is really good for things that might get scanned. And it's also lockable. If you look on the zipper, it has 2 little loops, so you can actually lock that one, which is really nice. There's also more mesh pockets, a pen pocket here. Just this front organization alone is really good. That's actually, I can see myself using this. Okay, so we're gonna go in this top pocket up here. So it seems okay, it's fleece lined. So I'm guessing that's for like sunglasses or your phone or something. So this whole part opens. Oh my goodness. We have these front mesh pockets. These are really nice for organization for just random stuff. Okay, this random cap, I'm not sure what that's for. Comes with these waist straps for when it gets really heavy. It has little pockets on the waist straps. That is very, very handy. I really appreciate when they do stuff like that. So here's the main, oh wait, what is this? What is this? Oh, okay. It's some kind of case. I'm guessing this is the sunglasses case. I'm not too sure, but it comes with this plastic case and this little drawstring little bag. But oh my goodness, look at that. That is so cool. But so if you look here, they have these little mesh pockets on the side. They have one top and bottom, but also top and bottom here. So it's on both sides they have these mesh pockets. So that's really cool. And just looking at that, that's actually quite a lot of space. And since you can expand it, this is only about 20 liters unexpanded, which is, this is great. You can fit a lot of clothes in here. But okay, let's try and close this up and then look at the other ways to access the main bag. So far, I'm really impressed by the construction of this. This is just really well made. Of course, this is my first impression. We have to actually see how it is in the field. And what I like doing when I do backpack reviews, I just don't like doing an initial review like I'm doing right now. I like to go several months down the line and actually use the bag to see if it actually holds up, because you never know, it just might start falling apart 2 days later, 3 days later, I don't know. So yeah, we opened up the bag here. I unzipped it here at the top, but this thing opens up, which is very nice. It looks like it has a sleeve here, and this is the laptop sleeve, I believe. So this is really nice. It's very soft padded, like fleece. So here's my 15-inch MacBook Pro. Let's slide it in and see how it fits. And wow, okay. Yeah, it fits really snug. And there you go. No problem. I might say that if you have some kind of case around it, it might be a little bit like more snug. This one, it does feel kind of loose, which means, you know, it just has more room to move. But if you have some kind of case, it might be a little bit snug. But I do get a lot of questions talking about like, can a 15.5-inch laptop fit in lobby sleeves? I'm gonna say it right now, I'm not too sure if a 15.5 will. 15 and a half, that's like 15 more things. 15 inches, wait, 15.6 inches. 15.6 inches, that's what I meant. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, 15.6 inches, whatever it is. To be honest, I don't think that's gonna fit in here. That's just a heads up for you guys, because I always get that question over and over again. Can this certain size laptop? And I wanna say here now, I am not sure, but you could try. But from what I see, I don't think so. This front pocket here, I'm guessing is for like some kind of tablet. What I really like about this is this easy access for like TSA when you're going through the security check. That's one of the downsides I have to say with the Brevity backpack, which I do have right here. The Brevity Roll Top's laptop compartment is inside of here. So if you look, can you even see it? But the laptop sleeve is inside the bag. And to take it out during the security check, especially when you have it really packed up to the max, it's gonna be very, very hard to take it out. I had a hard time taking it out when I was going on my trips, but this makes it really easy. Pretty much one zip, you have it out, and then bada bing, bada boom. Supposedly this can expand. How do we expand it? Oh wow, look at that. Okay, so just that first zipper, let's see how much it expands just from that. Okay, that's actually quite a bit. Like that expanded probably like 1.5 inches wide. I don't know, I'm not good with like measurements. So yeah, that's how much it expands. I know that there is a way to open this bag like a clamshell. I'm just not sure how. Okay. So now I know what to do. Okay, so first, to get that clamshell look, you have to expand the bag first so that it's in full expansion mode. 20 liters to bam, 30 liters. Okay, so it reveals another zipper on the inside of that zipper. Ooh. So now it's a clamshell. That's great. That's great. So clamshell, it opens up like a briefcase or like a suitcase that you normally have. There's a piece of thread here. Hopefully that wasn't bad. But yeah, it opens up like a clamshell. So that's really cool. So I prefer backpacks. Oh, there is lots of threads hanging out of this one. Do something about that. But what I was saying, I do appreciate clamshell opening backpacks like this, because it's just easier to pack the backpacks when it's laid out flat, because you can utilize every single space of this bag. So if we look right here, just like what we had earlier, it opens up like that, and pretty much you can just put all your clothes and whatever you're bringing inside here. And then this side just kind of has like just one big pocket. I'm guessing like for shoes or something like that. But that's really cool. I really appreciate bags that open like this but aren't like full suitcase sizes. So I really like that. That's really cool. There are threads hanging off of this, so I'm gonna be careful with that. Good thing Nomatic has lifetime warranty, just in case, because just got it and it's not our fault. Might be able to get that replaced. So look at that. Looking at the strap, has that same waterproof material on here. You have a sternum strap right here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, that's just what's pretty cool. Right around your lower back area, there's a secret pocket. So you can easily put like money or valuable items there. I think what's cool too is that you can, I believe you can store these straps back here. I think that's what the button is for. To open it up. This is where you shove it in. Kind of awkward though. It's just this big like bulge spot now. So now you can hold it like a briefcase kind of thing, which is pretty handy, I think, if you don't want to hold it on your back. There's also a water bottle holder right here, and it's pretty cool because it's magnetic. So it just goes back in when you're not using it. So it's really nice. Forgot to mention this cool feature where you let your wires go through. It's really hard to see, but inside this fleece pocket, there's this rubber opening here. And it basically, open up this one. Right there, there's a little rubber opening. You can pass through like charging cables. Have a backup battery in here. Feed it through that hole, which is right here, and you can keep your phone inside there, and just have a quick charge while you're in on your way traveling, going to places. Overall, this is a really cool backpack. I'm really surprised by this. My brother recently got this NOMATIC backpack because of our upcoming trip to Japan in September, in less than 40 days. I believe it's 35 days at this moment of recording this. So we have 35 more days until we go to Japan, which is insane, and I'm super excited. Let me just do a quick size comparison between the Brevity and this bag. So this is the NOMATIC Travel Pack, and this is the Brevity Roll Top. This one's about 24 liters and 26, I'm not really sure, I have to look it up again. 26 when expanded. This one you can expand up to 30 liters, which is crazy. So yeah, so that's about the comparison for both of them. The size, they're actually really similar in size and wideness and length. So here's the waist straps. Have them on here. So wow, they're actually pretty comfortable. Like it's kind of wide, so it wraps around your waists really well. Yeah. So I just expanded it to the 30-liter version, so it's kind of, just spread it out. Expand. But yeah, so there you go. That's what the 30-liter version looks like. So I'm not sure. It's really comfortable on me, but when it's actually full with stuff, we just have to see how comfortable it is, because it may feel comfortable right now, because it does. But when it's full of stuff, when it's lugging you down and dragging you down, that's the real test. What I really like about this one is that these waist straps are actually detachable. The Brevity's one is not quite detachable. It's like on the bag. I wish it kind of was, because it does get in the way at times. But with this, you can detach it. That's a really cool feature. Alright guys, so all in all, I am really impressed by the NOMATIC Travel Pack. The material, from all the little tiny details like the extra pockets and the expandability of the backpack, makes me really excited to see my brother use this backpack. We won't be able to see its full functionality and its usability until we go on our trip in September, so stay tuned. I might not review it myself, but I might have my brother review it since he's going to be using it for the majority of time. So make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell to see when that video comes out, because you're going to want to see that. So this NOMATIC Travel Pack is really cool. Can't wait to see it being in use. Do you guys have the NOMATIC Travel Pack? And if you do, leave them down in the comments below what you guys think of it. Or, if you're planning on getting one, let me know that too, because it'd be really interesting to hear your guys' opinion. So our Japan trip is slowly approaching. We have, at the time of this recording of this video, 35 days left, and really excited, and I can't wait to make all the kinds of videos. So make sure you guys are subscribed and hit the notification bell for when all those videos are released, and be sure to follow me on freely_explore for my Instagram stories that I'm going to be taking while I'm there. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Check the link in the description below if you want to buy this backpack. I can't fully recommend it yet, but from first impression, yeah, this is really cool. So get it if you want it. So stay tuned to the channel for more videos just like this and any travel related camera stuff. It's Freely, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. One quick thing I forgot to mention, it includes this retractable key leash. This retractable key leash. It's just like in the bag, so you can put your keys on there and then you need it.